Great day, everyone. You remember I told you in one of my feng shui tips that you should not put your shoes, slippers in front or just within the opening of your main door or exit door. So, you would ask me, saan pala namin ilalagay yon? Now, put it inside a cabinet na hindi po malalanghap. Huwag mong ilagay din sa loob ng bedroom mo na malalanghap mo yan. So, like for this one, this is how I do the housekeeping. Like for my husband, the most proximate that he would use always is yung slippers at saka yung sandals niya. Kaya napaka-accessible kaagad. Pag open niya ng cabinet, makikita niya. In the same manner din sa akin, the most frequent shoes or slippers that I use, I put it just fronting the cabinet door. So this is the cabinet. When you open it, immediately, madali siyang makita ang gusto mong shoes na gagamitin. So, nakasalansan po siya. I don't really have a rack on it. Because if you have a rack, konti lang din ang mailalagay mo. Thank you for watching. I hope you will really subscribe even for this small, short video. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, and liking.